If your employer is undergoing a reorganization and it involves you undergoing a lateral move, a transfer, or a change in pay grade, or your supervisor, your boss leaves the company, then there's a couple things you need to do to protect your job. You have to be proactive, because if you get laid off down the road or you're getting evaluated for termination or layoff, they may look at the lateral transfer, a change in pay grade, as a negative thing. They may think that you got demoted because you were a bad employee. The best way to combat this is to make a record on why and explain the circumstances. So I'll recommend a letter from your boss or an email explaining why you were undergoing that change. And it is not a result of performance. It is a direct result of an organization-wide change in pay grade or lateral change. And that will save you down the road. Recommendation letters are great. Emails exchange with your boss is great. The reason why is a year down the road or a couple of months down the road, if you are subject to discrimination or termination, and they use the current reorganization as an excuse, as an example of why you're demoted, you can go back and you can give them, or in court, you give them to your lawyer, a recommendation letter from your boss, or some email exchange, something in writing to explain that the reason why your job changed, it wasn't a demotion. It was simply a reorganization that affected everybody. It's not your fault, and it's not performance-based. Okay, back to work.